Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a new fingerprint password profile in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on biometrics and then click on fingerprints. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern and then click on continue. Now click on register to register your fingerprint. Now scan your fingerprint in this circle. Now after scanning, click on done and then your fingerprint password profile will be added. So that's how you can add a new fingerprint password profile in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.